Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and today we have another Dollar Tree DIY for you. So let me go ahead and show you what I'm going to be using. First, I'm going to be using this vase from the Dollar Tree. We've all seen all the beautiful vases they have. And then this is called, what is it? Burlap ribbon, of course, but this one has the lace in it. So I thought that was really pretty. You know I love this lace. I also have some jute twine. I've got some of these little wedges here. You just pull a piece out like this. You get those in the makeup department. I have some frog tape or painter's tape, whatever you want to call it. And then I just have some flowers. These are some leftover flowers that I had from a different project. For spring, it'd be really cute. Is it spring still? I mean, we're going into summer soon, but daisies would be really pretty. Some sunflowers would be really pretty. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna move this down so you can see a little bit better there. Okay, so we're gonna take this. Oh goodness. And I'm going to just take some of this wrapping and go kind of all the way around just to give it a flat look. And it doesn't have to be, I mean, if you don't have this, we're going to end up putting some burlap anyways. But I kind of just wanted to give it a straight look there. So I'm going to really put that on. There we go. Much better. Now we're going to take some of our, this is acrylic paint I'm using. I call it Arteza, but apparently one of you beauties had told me that is not correct. It's Arteza. So if that's the way it is, a couple actually had called. I'm just going to put this right on there. Anyways, it is wonderful acrylic, and it covers really nice. So I'm just going to put this on here. Using these sponges, these are really a great idea. They work nice and smooth there. Putting it right on the glass, that way I don't need to use any kind of anything there. And we just want to get this nice and white. And it does not have to be perfect because for me, I like the little bit of weathered look or farmhousey look, whatever you choose to call it. And then I'm just going to go around this way. And when you put it on thin layers, it dries really nice and quickly. So I'm going to go ahead and continue to put this on. I'll probably let this layer dry. I'll look at it, see how well I like it, and then maybe put another layer, maybe not. You could also spray paint this any color you like. I'm going for a fresh kind of clean white. So I will do this and then I'll see you back here when it's dry. Okay, I have added the white on here, and as I was doing it, I kind of was going around and I'm like, oh, that kind of looks a little bit like wood. And so I thought, you know what? I can make this look like wood. So I went in and grabbed my other paints here. You guys always ask me about my paints, so I will leave the link down below if you wanted to get some. And I think, I'm not sure which one I want to try here. I was going to go with a burnt umber, but I think I'm going to go, I don't want a pearl. I think I'm just going to go with maybe this Mars brown. That kind of is a little red. Let's mix it up and we're going to go, well, let's see. This is a raw umber and a burnt umber. Not sure. I'm going to take the two. And, oh, of course I didn't bring anything to put this on. I'm going to make my own little guy here. I'm going to put this under so that I can pick it up easily. How about that? All right, there we go. I'm going to put a little bit, a really little bit. I don't need a lot at all. And that's the raw umber, and then I'm going to put the burnt umber as well, and I'm going to put it right on top of that. Then I'm going to take a fresh one of these guys. I probably could have used the other one as well, but I got my fingers all dirty using it. So I'm just mixing this up, getting it on here. And then I'm going to take this, and the first thing I'm going to do is look to see where this little guy ends and kind of put it around. And we're going to see how this turns out. If this turns out, I can move that burlap up a little bit. If it doesn't, I just cover this up. So we've got that, and then I'm going to put just a couple here going around like as if it's some wood planks there. I'm going to do that again. Right down here. Look at that. And then I'm going to just kind of go along very lightly and make it look a little bit like some weathered wood there. This is really cute. It almost looks like an aspen tree, the bark of an aspen tree, which, oh my goodness, that would be perfect for winter, right? So now I'm going to pull this off and see how that comes out. Look. Really pretty. Oh my goodness, now here I am thinking, is it too early to start doing Christmas? I think not. Look at that. Woohoo! I'm super excited. I'm going to put this away so I don't go sticking my arm in it. Today's a good crafting day. Look how clean that came out. Alright, so we are done with our paint. Now, I think I'm going to put this up a little bit higher now. Or do I even need it? Hold on, let me see. My whole thing has just changed because of how nice this came out. I'm going to take my jute twine. Sorry, I thought this was open. This is not my open one, apparently. And, of course, I'm going to find the edge. It's just going to take me forever. Here we go. I'm going to get these guys on here, but I don't, oh my goodness, hold on. You guys, this is me working here. I do like this. I am going to use, this right above. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on, I need to go get some scissors. Okay, got my scissors. I'm going to cut this a little bit longer than I need it. There we go. And I think I'm going to pull pull this up a little bit higher because I really like the way this looks on here. All right. And I'm going to put some of this on here. And I'm going to put it not along the edge because I want to have a place to be able to hold it. And I'm going to move this all the way around, holding on. Can you guys see that? Holding on to that. And then push this through, and then that glue should come right through there. There we go. And then I will take a little bit of glue to hold down those edges there. And I don't want to burn myself, so I'm going to move that like that. But we're going to cover the edges up so that it's going to be no edges all the way around. So there we go. So far, so good. I'm going to take these little flowers here. I'm going to cut a long piece of twine. Longer than you think you need, of course. And I'm going to just do that right in half. All right, this is it. There we go. Then I'm going to take these little guys and I'm just going to tie them. Like I said, any flowers that you might want on here for right now you could do. I mean, you could even do some red, white, and blue flowers for the summer. And we're just tying them down here at the end. I'm going to take them around and tie them on the back side as well because we want them to be really tied in there good. Get that out. There we go. So we've got them tied on there. And then we're going to just put them right on here. Now remember, I'm hiding this glue spot. So I'm going to put some more glue right on that spot. So I know exactly where it needs to go to hide it and cover it up. And we're just going to hold that, let it dry. And this is very 3D. So I really like it. And then we're going to take this, we're going to bring it around, and this is going to hold it up as well. And it'll look like just this is holding it in place. And just tie that real tightly. And then you can put a little bow here if you'd like, or you could just leave it as is, but I like to do the little bows. And then we'll give a little snip here and match this up on this side. And look at how cute that is. And then you can either take one of the Dollar Tree candles and have it in there and have the candle glistening, or you can take some of the little fairy lights and and have those in there, glistening, just to put like on your outside patio or something like that. But I think it's really pretty, really, really pretty. So let me know what you think. If you like this, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and I'll put a nice picture of this at the end. So thank you guys. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see more DIYs. You guys, I will definitely be doing this in a future video for Christmas to make some aspen trees. Super pretty. I like it a lot. So, all right, if you do something like this, shoot me a picture. I'd love to see it. And hopefully I'll talk to you guys soon. All right, beauties. Oh, there we go. All right, I hope you guys have a great day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.